Is your business communication a tangled mess of apps, calls, and endless email chains? Are you constantly juggling different platforms, wishing for a simpler, more streamlined way to connect with your team and customers? And most importantly, are you wondering if there's a way to achieve all this without breaking the bank? Specifically, is 8x8 work free? Because let's be real, in today's fast-paced business landscape, communication is king. Whether you're a solopreneur, a small startup, or a growing enterprise, staying connected is absolutely crucial. And with so many communication tools out there, it's easy to get overwhelmed. You've probably heard of 8x8 Work, a popular cloud communications platform, but the big question lingers. Is it actually free? Or is it just another subscription service that's going to eat into your budget? We've all been there, right? You see a product advertised as free, only to discover hidden fees, limited features, or a trial period that expires faster than a summer breeze. You download the app, set up your account, and then bam, you hit a paywall. Suddenly, all the features you actually needed are locked behind a premium subscription. This leaves you feeling frustrated, misled, and back at square one. So, let's cut through the marketing jargon and get straight to the point. Is 8x8 Work truly free? The short answer, and the answer that requires a bit more nuance, is it depends. It's not a simple yes or no. 8x8 Work offers a range of plans, each tailored to different business needs. There are paid plans, of course, with advanced features and comprehensive support. These plans are designed for businesses that require robust communication capabilities, like call analytics, advanced integrations, and dedicated support. Think about call centers, large teams needing to manage high volumes of customer interactions, or businesses that rely heavily on detailed reporting. For them, the paid plans are essential. They provide the scalability, reliability, and advanced features needed to handle complex communication workflows. However, there's also a free trial period. This allows you to explore the platform and experience its core features before committing to a paid subscription. This trial is a valuable opportunity to test drive 8x8 Work and see if it aligns with your specific needs. It's not free forever, but it's a free for a limited time scenario. During the trial period, you can typically access many of the platform's core functionalities, such as making and receiving calls, sending messages, and participating in video conferences. This allows you to get a feel for the user interface, assess the call quality, and determine if the platform meets your basic communication requirements. Now, it's crucial to understand the limitations of the free trial. It's not going to offer the same level of functionality as the paid plans. You might encounter restrictions on the number of users, the duration of calls, or the availability of certain features. The free trial is designed to give you a taste of what 8x8 Work can do, not to provide a fully functional long-term solution. Think of it like test driving a car. You get to experience the handling, the comfort, and the features, but you don't get to drive it off the lot for free. You're trying it out to see if it's the right fit before making a purchase. And here's where things get interesting. 8x8 also offers some free features within its mobile app, even without a paid subscription. You can often make and receive calls over Wi-Fi, send messages, and participate in basic video conferences. This can be particularly useful for individuals or small teams who need basic communication capabilities on the go. For example, if you're a freelancer who needs to stay connected with clients while you're out and about, the free features of the 8x8 mobile app might be sufficient. You can make quick calls, send messages, and participate in short video meetings without incurring any costs. But again, it's important to remember that these free features are limited. They're not going to replace the comprehensive functionality of a paid plan. If you need advanced features like call analytics, integrations with CRM systems, or dedicated support, you'll need to subscribe to a paid plan. So, to summarize, 8x8 Work isn't entirely free, but it offers a free trial and some free features within its mobile app. The free trial allows you to explore the platform and see if it's right for your business, while the free mobile features provide basic communication capabilities for individuals and small teams. The best way to determine if 8x8 Work is right for you is to take advantage of the free trial. Explore the platform, test its features, and see if it meets your specific needs. Don't be afraid to ask questions and reach out to 8x8's support team for assistance. Remember, the free aspect is about getting a taste and seeing if the wider offering fits your needs. Understand the limitations and compare them to the paid options. If you need a robust, scalable communication solution, a paid plan is likely the way to go. If you only need basic communication capabilities, the free features of the mobile app might be sufficient. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use 8x8 Work depends on your individual needs and budget. Take the time to evaluate your options, compare the features, and make an informed decision. Don't fall for marketing hype. Instead, focus on finding a communication solution that aligns with your business goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.